Part 7. The Trials of the Cave. As soon as Chico, Lucy, and Masha stepped towards the glowing wall, they felt a gentle tremor beneath their paws. They were surrounded by a soft light, and 3 doors appeared before them, each leading to a different trial: courage, wisdom, and friendship. "We have to choose," Masha whispered, looking at the doors. "Let's start with courage," Chico said confidently, though his tail trembled a little, but his eyes were full of determination. The door slowly opened, revealing a narrow bridge hanging over a dark abyss. The wind howled, and the bridge swayed from side to side. "We have to cross it," Lucy said, taking a deep breath and taking the first step. Chico followed her, and Masha brought up the rear. Each step was difficult, but they didn't stop, supporting one another. When they finally crossed, the bridge began to disappear, and the next door appeared. "Wisdom," Masha said. "This is my trial." As they entered, they found themselves in a giant labyrinth, with walls that constantly shifted places. In the center stood an ancient table with a strange cube covered in mysterious symbols. "We need to figure out how it works to find the way out," Masha said, examining the cube. While she tried to solve the puzzle, Lucy noticed shadows in the labyrinth moving toward them. Time was running out. "We're running out of time, Masha," Chico exclaimed. "Just a little longer," Masha whispered, and her paws quickly moved the symbols on the cube. Finally, the cube lit up, and the labyrinth began to crumble, revealing the path to the next door. The friends stepped into the last room, the trial of friendship. In front of them stood 3 mirrors, each reflecting one of the friends but in distorted ways, showing their fears and weaknesses. Chico saw his friends turning away from him. Lucy saw herself left alone. Masha saw her magic fading, unable to help others anymore. "These are just illusions," Masha said quietly, stepping toward the mirror and reaching out to her reflection. "We need each other, despite our fears." Lucy and Chico followed her example, touching their mirrors. In that moment, the images vanished, and the room filled with a warm light. The trials were complete. In front of them appeared a door leading to the cave's main chamber. At the center lay a glowing crystal, the heart of time, surrounded by ancient runes. "We did it," Chico whispered in awe. But as they approached the crystal, it began to glow brighter and speak. "You have proven your courage, wisdom, and friendship. But to gain the power of the heart, one of you must make a choice. Only one can receive its power." Lucy, Masha, and Chico exchanged looks. "We've come this far together," Chico said. "We should share it together." Masha nodded, and Lucy added, "Then we'll divide the heart's power among us." They reached out to the crystal, and it split into 3 parts, each glowing brightly and transforming into a small pendant. "This is a gift for your friendship," said the crystal. "Use this power with wisdom and kindness." The friends left the cave, knowing that their adventure was just beginning, but now with a newfound power to help them in the future.